Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. And I'm back to talking about baked beans reloaded. Surprise, surprise. Well, can you blame me? This thing is going absolutely viral with 584 BNB already invested, and it has just been live for 2 days, which is absolutely insane. And the marketing hasn't even started yet. So imagine when that thing kicks in as well, this thing will go absolutely parabolic. I just wanted to clear up a few things. In my previous videos about this project, I forgot to mention that the developers behind this project are the same developers that created the original Baked Beans miner, which lasted for 2 years. So that is the reason why people are hyped and why it did $300,000 in TVL in the first 36 hours, and it's not slowing down. Like, you can see the contract value grow in real time just by refreshing the page. Oh, so now we are at 583. So this is definitely gearing up to be the most bullish project this year, and it launched perfectly into the bull season. This is a great way to generate passive income, which you can then withdraw and invest in other altcoins, Bitcoin, whatever you want, meme coins, in order to grow your portfolio and perhaps maybe retire early, who knows. Yeah, so the earlier you are in these miners, the better. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 1000 BNB in the next 2 days or so. So let's say you invest 1 BNB right now. If this TVL grows to 1000 BNB, you would be earning 8% daily on 2 BNB, because the higher the TVL goes, the more your beans are producing. I hope that made sense. So yeah, as you can see, I'm already earning some insane rewards on the daily, but you know, I'm not here to take profits yet. I want to compound this, to grow my position and to make more BNB in the near future. I want to thank our sponsor Blowfin for making it possible for me to create content full time. Blowfin is my personal favorite crypto exchange, not just because they are a sponsor, but they are one of the only exchanges that allows you to start trading without going through an extensive KYC process. They offer one of the most user-friendly interfaces that I have ever experienced. Blowfin also offers a welcome bonus for new users of up to $5,000, and you can trade with high leverage up to 125x. Check out Blowfin for yourself by clicking the link in the description down below. Thank you, Blowfin. I made a more in-depth video going over exactly how this miner works yesterday, so I will link that up in the right hand corner of the video right now. You can check it out if you're completely new to these ROI type of miners. Highly suggest to check it out. There was a guy asking me yesterday on Telegram if it's too late to get in. I don't have a crystal ball or anything like that, but think of it this way. This thing launched 2 days ago. They haven't started marketing yet. The last Baked Beans miner went up to a TVL of 35,000 BNB. I think this has more potential because we launched into the bull market and people are familiar with the concept and have seen the numbers that the previous miner did, so they know it's like a proven method. Or how do you say it? So yeah, I'm just so freaking happy that I got in when I did. And if you jumped in when I uploaded my first video, congratulations to you. You would be sitting on some pretty serious gains right now. But you know, this is only the beginning. We still have hopefully many months to grow our position and to earn this passive income. Let's get this crypto. Anyway, that's pretty much it for the video. I wanna thank you all for watching. like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out my Telegram group. That's where I drop these investment opportunities first, so you have the opportunity to front run everyone else. But most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.